Hey guys, so in today's tutorial we're going to be using these cream shadow colors. We've got Elegant, Faithful, Grateful, Tenacious, and Extravagant, and I'll be showing you how we'll apply them. Hi there, I'm Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to apply cream eyeshadow. So to get started, we've got these different shadows here. I'm going to show you how to use 5 of them. I know that sounds like a lot, but I just kind of want to show you the different colors that we've got. So first of all, I'm going to get this light brown. This is in the color Grateful, and I'm going to just use my cream shadow brush, and we're going to just get a little bit on the tip of the brush, and then we're going to just sweep it across wherever it is that we're trying to apply it. So this one I'm going to be putting it above the crease. This is going to be our transition shade. It's just a light brown. And then we're going to use a fluffy crease brush to kind of blend it out, so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, and then once we've done that, I'm going to come in and get this gold shimmer here, and this is in the color Extravagant. And again, with the cream shadow brush, just wipe it off, make sure it's clean. I'm going to just come in, swipe across the top, and get some on the brush. And this I'm going to be applying on the inner half of the lid. And then being sure to get it all the way up to the crease, and then all the way down towards the lash line. And then moving on, I'm going to get this deeper color here. I think this is more of a bronze in the color Tenacious. We're just going to swipe some of that. This is going to go on the outer half. And the thing I love about cream eyeshadows, I feel like it's a lot easier to apply than a pressed or loose powder. It just goes on and blends a lot smoother. And then again, with the crease brush, I'm going to just blend those two colors together. And now I want to get this darker brown in the color Faithful, and I'm just going to put some of that on this outer corner. And actually I would recommend applying this color first and then Tenacious over it, but you can do it really either way is fine. Again, blending. And then I'm going to even swipe some of that under the lower lash line. Okay, now I've washed off my brush so it's clean, and we are going to come in with this color here. This is Elegant, and I'm just going to use that to highlight the inner corner. And we're going to sweep it a little bit under the lower lash line. And if you'd like, you can even use it to highlight the brow bone. Okay, and now I'm going to finish up on the other side. Okay, I just noticed I have mascara smeared all over my left eyelid. I managed to clean up the right one after I applied my mascara and not the left one. So I just cleaned that all up. We're good to keep going. So I know most people apply their mascara after they do their eyeshadow. I do it first because I'm such a mess when I apply. If I did my eyeshadow first, I would have to remove all my eyeshadow and then start over. So of course you do what works for you, but that's just what I have to do. I feel like I get a lot more mascara on that way too because I don't have to be as careful. And then of course if you have any kind of fallout onto your eyelashes, you can just sweep it off with a clean brush. Of course you won't have that problem with cream shadow, which is just another reason I love them so much. Okay, and this is the final look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.